Hello everyone. Let's dive into this mini DVR camera. This compact camcorder boasts a 1080p high-definition lens, promising clear images and videos. It also features an optical lens, which is a plus for capturing detailed shots. One interesting addition is the flip-up flashlight, designed to enhance photo quality in low-light conditions. The camera sports a 1.44-inch display screen, which allows for real-time previews. This is particularly useful for framing shots and ensuring clarity before recording. The screen size is adequate for its purpose, providing a decent viewing experience despite its small form factor. Battery life is always a key consideration, and this mini DV camera aims to impress. It comes equipped with a 480 mAh battery. The manufacturer claims that when used with the included charging case, the camera can last up to a week. This extended battery life could be a significant advantage for users who need a reliable recording device for extended periods. The automatic loop recording feature is another notable aspect. The device saves videos in segmented files and automatically overwrites the earliest segment once the memory card is full. This ensures seamless and uninterrupted recordings, which is particularly useful for continuous monitoring or capturing events without worrying about running out of storage space. Connectivity is also a strong point. Compatible with Android 8.0 and above systems, the camera supports OTG on-the-go connections. This allows for instant transfer and viewing of photos and videos directly on a smartphone, making it easy to share content quickly. In summary, this mini DVR camera offers a range of features packed into a small device. The 1080p high-definition lens, flip-up flashlight, and real-time preview screen contribute to its functionality. The extended battery life and automatic loop recording enhance its practicality for various applications. The OTG connectivity for easy smartphone transfer adds to its user-friendly design.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.